welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play the C major scale. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and also make sure that the nails on your chord hand are really short. This will make it so that you can press the strings correctly and get ringing notes. But first, if you would like to see more videos like this one, learn ukulele from scratch and song tutorials and product reviews, then subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, let's get started. The C major scale has these notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Please memorize this. Okay, we're starting with C. That's open string. Now to go to D, please use your middle finger on the second fret of C. Now play C and D for me. Ready, C, D. Now to go to E, go to the open E string. So now let's do C, D, E. 1, 2, C, go. D, E. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E. Please make sure to use D, to make D with your middle finger. One last time. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E. Now let's do F and G. For F, we're going on the first fret of E string and the third fret for G. Make sure and use those fingers, index and ring. So let's try it. F, then G. 1, 2, F, go. G. Try not to slide. That'll give you that sound. We don't want that sound. We want very clear note sounds. So try it again. F, then G. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. G. Sorry about that. Let me let my cat out. I will be right back. Come here. Do you want to go out? Come on. Do you want to go outside? You can go outside. Okay, so now let's do E, F, and G. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, G. Now let's go from C all the way to G. 1, 2, C, go. Middle finger, open, index, ring. Try that again. 1, 2, ready, C, C, D, E, F, G. This is called the C pentatonic scale, penta having 5. So C, D, E, F, G. So once you build up a little bit of speed, that one can sound like this. It's a really good little kind of hand exercise, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna do the full scale, okay? So next we have A, so open string A. Then we're gonna use middle and ring for the next two notes, okay? Middle and ring. So middle for B, and then ring for C. So do that again. A, B, C. 1, 2, open, go. Middle, ring. If you noticed, I use my index finger for any notes on the first fret, my middle finger for any notes on the second fret, and my ring finger for any notes on the third fret. So that's a really good like general rule with C major scale. So let's try it again. A, B, and C. 1, 2, ready, go. B, C. So now let's try E, F, G, A, B, C. Starting on open string E. 1, 2, ready, E, F, G, A, B, C. Try that again. 1, 2, from E, go. F, G, A, B, C. So I would like for you to practice going from C to C and practice saying it. Pause the video while you do that and come back when you're ready to do the play along with me. Alrighty, welcome back. Let's play from C to C. Say it out loud because this will help you memorize the notes on your fretboard. Okay, 1, 2, ready, C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So your homework is to practice building speed with this and to practice coming back down. Let me know in the comments below once you have finished your homework. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial for the C major scale. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you'll find out when I post the next scale video. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!